Welcome to our channel. Today we how to deploy a branding strategy with Canva, beginner guide step by step clearly. To deploy a branding strategy with Canva, start by defining your brand identity. Consider the core values and mission of your brand. Identify your target audience and their preferences. Create a mood board that represents your brand's visual style. Use Canva to gather inspiration with images, color palettes, and fonts that resonate with your identity. Next, create a Canva account if you haven't done so already. Choose the free or pro version based on your needs. Once logged in, explore Canva's templates suitable for your branding materials. Select templates for social media posts, business cards, or presentations. Pick a template that aligns with your brand's aesthetic. Customize the template by adjusting colors to match your brand palette. Add your brand logo, which can be uploaded directly to Canva. Choose fonts that reflect your brand's personality and are easy to read. Modify any elements within the template to create a unique look. Incorporate images that align with your brand message. Ensure consistency across all materials by using the same color scheme and fonts. Next, create a brand guide using Canva. A brand guide documents your brand colors, fonts, and logo usage. Design this document to serve as a reference for anyone creating brand materials. Utilize Canva's text tools to add descriptions of your brand elements. Save the brand guide as a PDF for easy sharing with team members. Now, move on to creating your marketing assets. Design social media graphics that reflect your new branding. Use Canva's preset sizes for different platforms to ensure compatibility. Consider creating templates for ongoing use, such as Instagram posts and stories. This will save time and maintain branding consistency in future projects. Create visually appealing email headers using Canva's design tools. Once your materials are ready, review everything for consistency and quality. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.